Hi guys. So right. Let's say good morning. Oh, I'm tired. Um, Good morning. I want to vlog for today. Today being Saturday. I have a wedding to go to this morning. I'm I'm lost for words. I want to do my makeup, but I want to do something simple. Heavy on the contour. I did the last video I uploaded was the contour look, and I used just mainly contour. Once I started using blush, I fell in love with blush and I forgot totally about contour, but using that contour, doing that contour look made me remember it. So I want to do a contour look. I don't think I'm doing anything on my eyes. I look crazy because I just rolled up my hair till I get some curls. Just going like this. Just something simple. At first I thought I wasn't going to wear makeup because of how much I've been putting up. Focus, my friend. Because of how much I've been putting on makeup, I've been breaking out. I don't know if you can see that. It's my phone. I don't know if I'm breaking out a bit, but I'm waiting for a wedding. I want to do a get ready with me. Also, guys, the dress I'm wearing, the ashrabi I'm supposed to wear, I haven't sewn it, so I decided to make something else. And since I don't have a sewing machine, it was last minute. I totally forgot about the ashrabi. Actually, I left it at my tailor's place and I forgot to tell her about it. Only for me to remember like 3 to 4 days ago, like, what am I going to wear to this wedding? So I hand stitched a full dress. Like, this is my second time doing this. The first one was just the skirt part of the dress, but this time it's a full dress. Let me show you guys. It's 1 minute. I hand stitched this dress. I don't know if you can see this. Like, everything here is hand stitched. And stitch this full dress. It's all this simple flowy dress. That's why hand stitching can work. If not, if it's a tight hugging dress, I don't think hand stitch can work. So yeah, this is what I'll be wearing. Now, this hairstyle I did, I was contemplating between tying a scarf and just using my hair. And I think with this hairstyle I did, I'm just going to stick to just pouring my hair, no need for a scarf. The bag I crocheted, I even went as far as crocheting a bag because I wanted, but I've been planning to crochet that bag for like weeks now. Let me hang this before it gets squeezed. This is what the bag looks like. The bag I crocheted or to go basically. I'm not yet weaving this end, but this is what it looks like. And I'm not yet certain. I'm not so certain that I'll be using it very longer because I did not put a flap cover. But anyway, it turned out cute. This dress is supposed to also be here, but I just got tired last minute and just did it like that. So anyway, I might decide to carry this bag. But first, I need to go have my bath. I have cleaned the house, so I need to just go have my bath and start doing my makeup and be off because wedding's by 10. It's a Muslim wedding, but let me go and have my bath. I don't even know how I'm going to do this with this hair, but I think I'm just going to put them up. Whoosh, that was painful. Like, guys, I burnt my hair this morning. I first tried, I wanted to coil it with a hot flat iron. I don't know how to do that flat iron shit. I'm not going to be trying that again because I burnt myself. I'm very certain. I don't even know if I want to apply makeup over it, but yeah. But this is what it looks like. Let me not do this intro too long. But anyway, hi. If you see my face for the first time, it's your beautiful baby girl, Thelma. Do well to hit the subscribe button and join the family. I need to figure out the way to put this up. Let me first try my hair bonnet, whether it's gonna work. Come on. Oh boy. Putting this stuff up is not easy. Just stay up. Just up, I want you to stay. It's not gonna stay up. So I think the best choice is to unravel it. If it falls off, if it stays, it's not my business. This is nice. What's wrong with you? Ow. At least they're not going to stay, so I can use pins to just hold them up till I finish. So I'm not just cutting my hair right now in the name of trying to do this for myself. It's slightly cold or cool, whatever. It's just stay up out of my way. I don't need it out of my way. Yeah, way better. Out of my way. So let's get down to makeup proper. It's meant to be a breezy one because I guess I'm gonna clean myself just to clean my face. Okay, that one. Yeah, that hurt. Yeah, it actually burnt me. Combed this entire hair and styled it, but this is what it looks like. Let me put some leave-in conditioner on my hair because I'm already running late. When it starts by 10, it's already 9:30. And I have to get to that place. Oh, God. I thought I woke up early. I changed my mind. I'll be using this cloth. So I don't have time. It's time for me to do this. Get ready with me. Done with this makeup, and I can't even show. I'm in a hurry right now. I can't even show the fit or anything. When I go outside, I would. Why am I carrying my tripod? No, I'm not. Just